What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys out there for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, in this video, I am extremely excited right now. I just received a package here that contains my new camera setup for YouTube. So I decided to invest the money into a new camera setup. Obviously in the last video or previous videos, you saw that I got the Rode Lavalier Go mic right here. I absolutely love it. I've been getting a lot of great feedback. But it's, you know, other than upgrading my audio, I wanted to further upgrade my camera. Right now I'm shooting with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's a good camera. It's done me well, but I have so many issues with it stopping and starting up. Even with the fresh battery, it doesn't want to turn on. You know, a few issues that it's inconvenient for me, honestly. And you know, I've been wanting a new camera for a while, so I decided to invest. So I went to Adorama after watching tons and tons and tons of videos and a little bit of advice from my buddy Phil over at Miranda Detailing. Shout out, Phil. If you're watching this, man, I appreciate your feedback. If you haven't seen Phil's videos over at Miranda Auto Detailing, check him out on YouTube. I'll leave the link to his channel because his videos are so crisp. And he shared some information with me about a setup and really encouraged me to look into getting another setup. Furthermore, already than what I wanted to get. So I finally pulled the trigger and I went ahead and bought it. I got a new camera. I got a new lens with the camera. And I also got another shotgun microphone, the Rode Video Micro. I got it right here in this box. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and show you guys that way. You guys can see it with me. I'm excited. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to get some more content with this bad boy. It might take a while for me to run through the settings. I've been watching tons of videos about this camera. I bet you're wondering what kind of camera it is. You're just gonna have to wait and see. Shout out to Adorama, because I ordered this like 3 days ago and it's already here. I got my receipt right here. I paid, just so you guys can see, this is how much I spent on the setup. It's about 1,200 bucks. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yep. It was expensive, but you know, it was either, do I upgrade my GoPro and go with the GoPro Hero 11? I love the GoPros, but they're more of an action camera, honestly. And I've been wanting a nice camera for when I go to car shows, for when we go on vacations. I can take something with us to take good pictures, even though, yeah, my phone does take good pictures, but I wanted to upgrade. So here it is, everybody. This is the Canon M50 M2. Mark II. The M50 Mark II. Yeah, M2 Mark II. Tomato. I'm very excited. Now I got this with the kit lens. You have the option to just buy the camera, which is I think 500 bucks. And the kit lens comes with it and it's 600 bucks. So I decided to get the Mark II with the kit lens because I've seen a lot of good videos about the kit lens. People knock it, but people say if you know how to set up your settings and you know what you're doing, then you can get some really good photos and videos from the kit lens. Very excited. What else do we got in here? This is kind of a big box. Oh, all kinds of goodies. It's like Christmas right now, and I know Christmas is coming up, but this is a Christmas present to me, from myself, from the years I've been doing YouTube. It's time to upgrade and really upgrade the quality. So hopefully you guys can hear me good. We got the M50 here. I'll set it right down here. Next to go with the M50 is the Sigma 16 f 1.4 lens. Now, from my understanding in my videos that I've been watching, this allows you to get that wide angle, allows you to get that blurry background and the nice focus on the face. So once again, Phil recommended this. pick this lens up as well. You guys, I'll do a full review on my thoughts of this setup as well later on in my channel once I get to use it and give you my thoughts on it. But I've been watching a really good feedback from a lot of people on this setup. So we got the Sigma lens. I also got the Rode Video Micro shotgun microphone. We're gonna be comparing that to my Rode lavalier mic that I have right here on my shirt. Hopefully it's still there. And what's cool about it is I was gonna order it anyways, but on Black Friday they had this kit set up with the Sigma 16mm lens, and it came with these filters for the camera, for the lens actually. The Sigma lens came with this filter kit, and the best way to describe it from what I've heard is like sunglasses for your camera. When you go out on a bright day, or if I'm shooting outside and it's really bright, areas where the GoPro really kind of lacks, they're little filters you put on the end of your lens, and it comes with this nice case. And normally the lens was like $395 for just the lens, and I got this lens kit. It also came with a lens shade, a cleaning kit. What else did it come with? A tether for the cover of the cap leash, so your cap doesn't fall off and run away from you. So it came with a few things in the kit, which was pretty cool. The cleaning kit and the filters too. I'm gonna love this for when I'm outside, I'm filming. If I go to a car show, a Cars and Coffee with the GSX, I can bring my camera, shoot some really good content. I am really excited about this. Let's open this thing up so you guys can see. Now, if you guys are like me, before you buy a product, you watch tons and tons and tons of reviews. And I watched tons of reviews. You know, I'm not even gonna. Should I open it? Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's open it up. So you guys can see how tiny this thing is. This is my first real kind of camera that I've bought. And there it is. This thing is really tiny. It's got the nice swiveling 360 screen. Really nice camera. I'm really excited to play with this thing. I might do an unboxing just to, I don't know. I might do an unboxing on it. I might not. I kind of already unboxed it. The cat's out of the bag, but I do want to do a video solely on my thoughts on this setup as I go through and I kind of get it set up for someone that's just beginning into photography and videography. I heard it's a great, for the price, it's a great entry-level camera. So I am really excited to play with this, get the lens on, get my settings down, shoot some videos for you guys, detailing, and just increase that quality just a little bit more. So I wanted to do this, slight unboxing just to show you guys I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well to take this channel up another notch or two. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I will give you guys my feedback on this entire setup once I get rolling with it. So, you know, you guys let me know, you know, what do you guys film with? What do you guys shoot with if you have a YouTube channel? If you have this Canon M50 or M50 Mark II, let me know what you guys think. What settings you guys like, and your opinion. I'm not going after professional photography. I'm not trying to be a professional videographer or anything like that. I just wanted something a step up from my GoPro. I wanted something a little bit better quality as far as photos as well, because I do like taking pictures. I do go to car shows. I do go out to tracks. I like taking pictures. We do go on vacations. I love taking pictures there. So yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts on this camera if you do have it. And I appreciate all you guys taking the time to watch this little video. I'm very excited. I appreciate all you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. That means the world to me. If you guys like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys get notified. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Hope all you have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm gonna catch you guys all on the next video.